Welcome to Remodeling Quotes for You, the channel where fast quizzes meet home improvement. Every episode, we hit you with quick-fire questions to test your renovation know-how. From flooring to fixtures, it's all fair game. Think you can beat the clock? Let's play. What's the biggest risk of failing to properly waterproof a bathroom remodel? The answer is C, mold growth and structural damage. Which of these materials is not ideal for a kitchen countertop in terms of durability? The answer is B, laminate. What is the primary reason to conduct a home energy audit before remodeling? The answer is C, identify areas of energy loss. Which layout is most efficient for a small kitchen remodel? The answer is A, galley. What is the minimum recommended ceiling height for a finished basement? The answer is C, 7 feet. Building codes may vary, but this is common. That's a wrap. How did you do? Thanks for taking our home remodeling pop quiz. Whether you nailed every question or learned something new, you're one step closer to becoming a remodeling expert. Want more tips, tricks, and quizzes? Follow us at Remodeling Quotes for You and keep your renovation game strong.